Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Forms. Open the form you want to edit. Click the form file or hit the plus icon to make a new one. Once opened, make sure you have edit access, otherwise you can't change anything. Now, look to the top where the current title sits. Click into that text field. This is the first actionable step because direct editing happens here. You're modifying the title so respondents will see the correct context and purpose of your form. You're now changing the title itself. Click the title box and type the new name that clearly reflects the form's purpose. Consider adding short keywords so respondents quickly understand intent. Next, use the description field beneath the title to add instructions or deadlines. This preserves the title's brevity while giving context. Once done, click outside the box or press enter. Google Forms saves automatically. Make sure the title is concise, yet descriptive, so it displays well on mobile and email previews. Finish by previewing the form to confirm the title appears as you expect on desktop and on mobile. Use the eye icon at the top. If the title doesn't save, first verify your internet connection and that you still have edit permissions. Sometimes changes fail silently. If issues persist, clear your browser cache or open the form in an incognito window to rule out extensions. After troubleshooting, make any final tweaks. Then share or close the form with confidence that the title communicates purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.